Hi friends, anytime you go to the Ayurvedic doctors for hair loss problem, baldness, dandruff or for grey hair problem, the first thing that they give you is Bhringraj oil. The English name for Bhringraj is false daisy. This has powerful ingredients that can rejuvenate and slow down the aging process. According to Ayurveda, it balances the doshas which are responsible for hair loss. I am enhancing or activating this oil with more ingredients that makes it powerful for grey hair, hair loss and baldness. Let's see how to do this. Take virgin cold pressed coconut oil. Coconut oil is unique because it's similar to hair's natural lipid structure and able to penetrate the hair more than any other oils. This supplies essential nutrients to hair. In a small steel bowl, add 1 cup, which is around 240 ml of coconut oil. Now we need fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds, also called as methi seeds, are rich in protein and nicotinic acid that can stimulate hair growth. To the coconut oil, add 1/4 cup of fenugreek seeds. We need to soak them for 4 hours or overnight in the oil. After soaking the fenugreek seeds for 4 hours in the oil, it's ready for the next step. Now take curry leaves. If leaves are big, break them with hand into slightly smaller pieces. Curry leaves have essential amino acids that can strengthen hair follicles. Not only that, they promote melanin production to prevent grey hair. Add half cup of curry leaves to this oil and give it a mix. Now we are using double boiler method to heat up coconut oil. Take a saucepan and fill half of it with water. Now carefully dip the steel ball with oil into it. On a medium heat, allow it to boil for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, notice that the curry leaves have turned slightly brown. That should be enough. Now let's turn off the stove. Wait for the oil to cool down completely. After the oil cools down, strain the contents to filter out the curry leaves and fenugreek seeds. Now we have got coconut oil with hair growth properties. Look at that, it got slight green color. Let's add Bhringraj oil now. As I mentioned, Bhringraj works like a magic for baldness, hair loss problem, dandruff and grey hair. Bhringraj is naturally green in color. To this add 1/4 cup, which is around 60 ml of Bhringraj oil. Finally add around 10 drops of peppermint oil. Peppermint oil helps to eliminate curry leaf smell. Not only that, it improves blood circulation to scalp to promote hair growth. You can collect them in a nice glass bottle like this. That's all. This is the best professional grade Ayurvedic Bhringraj oil that is enriched and enhanced with hair growth anti-grey hair vitalizers. You will find popular Ayurvedic hair growth oils with the similar ingredients. Apply this oil as frequently as possible. Typically, you can apply this oil on alternate days. Leave it overnight and shampoo in the morning. When used regularly, this oil can promote newer and thicker hair growth, prevents premature baldness, helps in treating and reversing grey hair from the roots. Thank you. Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.